Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to create account on a McDonald's app. As you know that McDonald's app is one of the mobile application that allows customer to order and pay for their favorite McDonald's foods and drinks, and also it will provide some exclusive offers, discount and reward. So in this video I will guide one of the easy step how you can create that account. So let's get start to the video. First of all, open your McDonald's application on a mobile device. It will take time for loading, so wait. Now you can see the page of that McDonald's. So if you have already created account, you can go by login directly, but if you don't have, so you can see at the down three dot option which is showing as a more, tab on that. Now you can see here my account, tab on that. Now you can see here login option, tab on that. Inside that it is showing two options at down like login and sign up. If you have already account, you can go through login, but if you are new and you want to create an account, so click on sign up. After it will ask some important things. Sometime it will give update and some news and all on our McDonald's through email you want or SMS you can toggle on, but this first one option is mandatory, so toggle on this option. So after that click on continue. Now get with that program. It's asking for to join our loyalty programmer to receive this. So okay, toggle on this option of this or continue. Now got it. Now type your first name, last name, or give your personal detail here. Then click on continue. Now enter your email ID. Now give us some strong password here. After that click on continue. It will take time for loading. So in this way you can create an account, but it will check your email ID. So in that it will send some code, 6-digit code. So go and check there. So after giving that, click on submit. Now you have to give your date of birth and all. Yeah. Now select your gender. After that click on continue. So tab on done. So in this way you can create an account for that McDonald's. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this.